Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar. I am from Hosur and I have completed my B Mechanical Engineering and it's on 2017 and I have planned to switch my career in automobile side to IT sector. So my friend Sangeeta, she suggested me to join here in the SDLC Training Institute. So she was joined and she was very good and even I have visited the center and I got confident that I can do it and even I met face to face with Santosh. He is the owner of the institute and he guided me and as well as he also given the confidence so that I can complete it. And Manav sir, he is the lecturer over here. He was teaching very good and even the small concept also he will explain clearly so that everyone can understand and everyone can do it. So they will give the confidence and everyone can learn and if you build yourself, and we should also give some skills and we should also have that confident level to do, and if you work out, sure we will get the job. That's it. Thank you, and you guys also will try and you guys also will get the job sure if you have good skills and good knowledge. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.